Sit back and relax in the comfort of your home.
Hi folks, Tim and Olivia here, still crisscrossing the country to meet with homeowners.
Homeowners who are learning about how to make smarter heating and cooling decisions in another episode of Lifestyles of the Cool and Cozy.
Brought to you by the great folks at Amana Brand Heating and Air Conditioning.
Today we're highlighting one of the latest technology features in the HVAC industry, inverter compressor technology.
That's right, and to help us out, we're visiting with someone who knows a thing or two about technology.
We're going to go inside and talk to Sean. Let's say hello.
Let's do it.
Have a seat, make yourselves comfortable.
Okay, great office.
Yeah, well,
Wow, this is really cool. Hey, thanks for having us today.
yeah, happy to do so.
Yeah.
So you're a mechanical engineer.
Yeah, that's right. Graduated cum laude. Been doing it professionally for 8 years now, but really looking back, I would consider myself an engineer from the first time I picked up a screwdriver.
So that means you have an interest not only in how machines are designed and produced, but also in how they operate.
Yeah, it's in my DNA, like 72.9% of it, roughly speaking. Yeah. but even I was impressed by what this Amana Brand cooling system has to offer.
Do you mean because of the inverter compressor technology?
Yes. I mean, having that kind of cutting-edge technology keeping my family comfortable at an ideal for us 72 degrees. That was a big reason I went with Amana.
Did you know that it can offer up to 30% in energy savings compared to a typical single-speed HVAC system?
And because the inverter compressor can help to provide more constant indoor temperature control and less fluctuation than single-speed systems, there's a more consistent feeling of overall comfort.
I did notice a drop in my energy bills. You know, I'm all about attention to detail.
All of that goes into helping you and your family stay cool during the long summer season here.
Which is especially important in this part of the country.
Yeah, which is, let me guess, it's 41.6 degrees north latitude, 163.3 degrees west longitude.
Actually, that would put you in the middle of the Pacific Ocean, roughly 1,500 miles from any land.
That's really impressive.
Wow. Is there anything else that impresses you?
Yeah, it seems quiet compared to the other systems.
Yeah, so you and your family and your neighbors, they don't hear anything so far?
Yeah, exactly. I mean, it definitely feels a few decibels lower. I mean, it's just so impressive that sometimes I want to take it apart and then just study it.
We don't recommend that.
Yeah, you just enjoy the comfort.
Yeah, probably so. Yeah.
All right, well, thank you so much for helping us cover so much ground today on inverter compressor technology.
Yeah, my pleasure.
Speaking of ground, we've got a lot to cover, so thanks again.
Bye.
Keep an eye out for us and see if Lifestyles of the Cool and Cozy visits your home.
Don't worry, we'll totally call first.
We're just gonna drop in, I'm joking.
Amana.